Hello guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Tech Sajawal, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. My topic: how we buy wallpapers from Alibaba.
So first of all, you have to install the Alibaba app. After that, you have to open the Alibaba app and search here in the search box. Here you can see it. I'm writing here wallpaper wallpapers. After writing wallpapers, you have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples are came in front of you. So here you can see it that I'm going to click on that one, this first one. So here you can see it basically 8 samples are available in this one. You can see it. A video demo option is also available. So basically, if you want to watch a video demo, then you have to click on that video demo option. Here is another sample, you can see that in front of you. Here you can see it another sample. Here is another one, you can see it a different wallpaper in front of you. Here is another one sample. Here is another sample, you can see it brown color wallpaper. Here is another sample, and here the you can see that features of the sample. So US dollar 1.12 to US dollar 1.54, minimum order 500 square meters. Wood design, waterproof peel and stick wallpaper, self adhesive wallpaper. Here you can see it still there is no review or no order. FOB reference price, get latest price, you can see it here. So membership benefits are also available. Join Alibaba.com membership for quick refunds on order less than US dollar 1000 and more. Coupons US dollar 50 off. So basically, if we talk about the key attributes, then you can see it here. Here you can see it. Function waterproof, wear resistant, scratch resistant, application apartment. Other attributes: place of origin Zhejiang, China. After sales service, on-site training, on-site installation. Product solution capability others: brand name BS, model number BS31192, warranty 1 year, usage household, MOQ 500 square meters. Keywords: marble wallpaper, feature waterproof plus self adhesive, color multicolor and design marble design, use room decoration wallpaper, advantage fashionable designs, installation self adhesive, type PET self adhesive wall stickers, thickness 1.8 mm. Packaging and delivery, packaging details 5 SQM per carton. Selling units, single item, single package size 122 into 30 into 30 centimeter, single gross weight 0.5 kg. Supply capacity, supply ability 10,000. You can see it, yeah, 1 lakh square miles per week. So here you can see it sample price US dollar 0.10 per square meter. So basically, if you want to see a sample, then you have to click on that get sample option. Purchase details, shipping, contact supplier to negotiate shipping details. Lead time, the amount of time from order placement until dispatch. 15 days 1 plus square meters to be negotiated, 10,000 piece per plus square meters. Review, product review, no product reviews yet. Support, customized logo, customized package, graphic custom. You can see it here. Here you can see it that Zhejiang Shanghai Packaging Material Co. You can see it here. CN 8 years manufacturer trading company. Here you can see it response time less than 7 hour, less than or equal to 7 hour, and 100% on time delivery rate. So you can see that here more products and company profile option is also given here. Similar products you can also see here. You can see that price US dollar 1.12, 500 square meter. You can see that 20 plus views. US dollar 1.12, and you can see it is 500 square meters, 20 plus views. So basically, if you want to buy these wallpapers, then you can see that the send inquiry option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on the send inquiry option buying these wallpapers. Thanks for watching this video.